Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Here's another really good GCSE exam style question on energy. You get questions like this in physics, so please pause the video and give this a try. When you have the answer, continue the video and check your answer against mine. This question can be done in two methods. So one of the ways of doing this is using the energy approach. So let me do it that way first. A 600-gram stone is dropped down a well. We know the mass as 0.6 kilograms. Calculate the speed at which it hits the water if the water level is 20 meters below the ground level. Okay, so we know the drop is 20 meters. Assume there is no air resistance and take G to be 10 newtons per kilogram. So the first method I would say is thinking about the energy because it loses GPE. We can say GPE lost is the same as kinetic energy gained. Then GPE lost is mgh. Kinetic energy gained is half mv squared. Now I can clearly see the m's on either side gets cancelled out. Now G is 10, H is 20 is equal to, this 2 here. I can bring it to this side where it becomes multiplication V squared. 2 times 10 is 20 times 20 is 400. If V squared is equal to 400, V is square root of 400, which is 20 meters per second. Here's the second method. Now, the initial speed of this object is 0. The acceleration is 10 meters per second squared because it's moving under the influence of gravity. Then we know S is the displacement, that is 20. And the question is to find the speed V. So we can use the formula V squared minus U squared is equal to 2AS. Now, substitute the values. V squared take away 0 squared is still 0 is equal to 2 times 10 times 20. Obviously, V squared is 400 and V is square root of 400, 20 meters per second. So here's the beauty of it. If you use the correct physics approach, you get exactly the same answer using both methods.